with full foot relaxed engagement, you're going to allow your heels to relax anteriorly into the trapezius muscles. And just take a moment there. And we're going to use our fists to add an element of percussion through our contact. And being curious about contact through this area. Just allowing myself to relax into the trapezius muscles. And we can sit a little bit more into the valley of the supraspinatus fossa. Gently dorsiflex so that the glide now becomes superior to inferior. You get intimate with the anterior aspect of the shoulder. Take a deep breath. Good.